Hello, welcome back to our channel. This is FX Ninja. This is going to be a very quick video. This is a very powerful system that you can use for boom and crash. This system is very reliable. All you need to do is to avoid ranging markets like this. Okay, just make sure you are trading with a trendy markets. All right. So this system, all you need to do, I use this system basically on the 5-minute time frame. But before going to the 5-minute time frame, I'll come to the 15-minute time frame. As you can see here, I'll make sure that this EMA crosses this crimson line. Once it has crossed, all right. Once it has crossed it, then you can see where it crossed it over here. Once it has crossed, then I'll go to my 5 minutes. So from 5 minutes, I'll wait for pullbacks. I'll wait for pullback. I'll wait for price to pull back and hit this red line. Once it hit the red line, the first signal I get, then I'm going to take that like 5 candlesticks. So from there, you can be rest assured to be taking sell signals. All right, sell signals, and you can see the MACD over here is also printing down. This is just to tell you that the market is selling, so you can take any sell signal and put your stop loss behind. You know, this is boom and crash, it doesn't respect stop loss like that. You can put your stop loss behind the candlesticks. So with that, you can make some bucks from boom and crash. You can put your stop loss behind the arrow, or you can put your stop loss behind the last swing high or swing low, as the case may be. This system is 100% free. If you are interested, just join our Telegram channel and you will get it for free. So this is it on the boom on 1002. As you can see on the 15-minute time frame, price crossed over here. So what do? We go to our 5-minute time frame. Let's see. This is a system that you wait for pullback. Majorly some of the pullback you wait for, you can see this is one. You make sure that the pullback is about touching. You can see on this boom 502, the pullback must touch or about to touch the red line. Okay, once you are able to see that it is about to touch the red line, or it touches the red line, then the first signal it will generate will give you a massive profit. Look at this one too. So it touched this red line, price give the indicator gave us a signal over here. Then you can see what happened, how price moved up on boom 1000. So this is another cross happening here, okay, for us to sell. So all we just need to do is to be patient. That's already crossed, so all we need to do is to be patient for it to cross. So this is 5-minute time frame. You can take this signal on 1-minute time frame, and 1-minute time frame, this indicator is very crazy on 1-minute time frame, very crazy on 1-minute time frame. That is if you know how to trade it, but we are going to be doing much video on that later on. So but for now, the 5-minute time frame is a deal, right? So this is it on crash 300. You can see price pull back over here on the 5-minute time frame. Price have crossed on the 15-minute time frame from here. You can see the crossing. So we wait for pullback. You can see the pullback about to touch the red line, then we have a signal. You can see how price crashed down. So join our Telegram channel to get a free copy of this very amazing system. You can see it also here on crash 600. Look at it on crash 600. Price crossed here. Let's go to our 5-minute time frame. Okay, on our 5-minute time frame, we have price touching this red line. You can see the signal it gave. You can see how massive the pull up is. You can see how massive that is. You know, the percentage of profits that you make there. So this is how the system works, and majorly you can see this bias indicator over here. I love to use this on any indicator I'm using. So you can see this system, this bias here is also an indicator telling you to buy or sell. Okay, so it also helps in letting us know the direction of the market. Generally, crash 600 is a sell, but what is happening right now is just an expansion. So from there we can also see price to trace back to the normal trend. So you can see on boom 1000 price is also selling. You can see sell. So majorly, if you are going to use this indicator with this panel over here, you can see it over here on the 15-minute time frame. You can see price is selling. So that is how this indicator works. So you can join our Telegram channel via the description in this video. So once you join, message the admin and you'll be directed on how to get this system for free. So make sure you take the advantage, and we'll be doing much video on this, but this is also a quick video about this. Thank you once again for watching our videos. I'm FX Ninja, and bye for now.